how to transfer Google Play balance to my bank account. Firstly, open your Google Play Store. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner. From this menu, scroll down and select Payment and Subscriptions. After clicking on Payments and Subscriptions, you will see an interface like this. Now here select the first option, Payment Method. If you haven't added any payment method, then add your credit or debit card. You can also check your Google Play balance. However, about withdrawing or transferring it to your bank account, it's quite not possible. Google Play balance is meant for buying apps, games, movies, subscriptions, or in game purchases. And because of that, there is no official feature to convert it to cash or transfer it to your bank. However, you can use legal ways to use or convert your balance. You can do that by buying digital products. You can use the balance for apps and games or in app purchases. Additionally, you can also buy Google Play gift cards and give it to someone else. Or you can share the balance with family members using Google Family Library. So that is all for today. Thank you.